in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 10 p.m. At 6:57 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Delafield, Okauchee Lake, Oconomowoc, Lac La Belle, Nashotah, Oconomowoc Lake, Chenequa, Stone Bank, Mapleton, Monterey and Summit. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.